Four things I wish I knew when I started my affiliate marketing journey some 2.5 years ago. I will show you what mistakes I have made during my affiliate marketing journey and help you to avoid them. So let's get started. The first one is learn the proper skill set. There are a lot of courses and free videos on YouTube and other sources where you can learn affiliate marketing. I started with free videos. I tried to learn everything for free and it didn't went well because there is so much information. There is a lot of things you need to go through, like the 4 steps that you have to obey in order to make your first affiliate marketing sale. And that is finding your business model, finding your niche, finding your offer, creating a simple 2-page website that will get your leads into your email list and then try to sell them, and of course the most important one, the traffic sources. So that was my mistake. I now know that as soon as I started to learn skill set from proper mentors, I don't like to call them gurus because that's assuming that they are the all-known guys, but I started with a legendary marketer, which you can see on the screen, which is a 15-day business challenge. I paid only $7 for all these 15 days, and they really taught me what affiliate marketing is, what I need to do, and what skills do I need to have in order to sell things. The other one that I bought was also $7, and it's excellent, Jonathan Montoya's 3-day business challenge, which teaches you everything you need to know in 3 days. And he really helped me achieve my goals sooner. Of course, there are some other upsells on both sides. You don't have to buy them. I strictly and wholeheartedly recommend both the legendary marketer blueprints and Jonathan Montoya's Freedom Breakthrough, because they can bring you to the next level with social media traffic and of course paid traffic. If you want to have an online business and not just a side hustle, then you will probably have to go in the future and scale your business either by outsourcing things or going through paid traffic. The third and very totally free course is Brian Brewer's 90-minute affiliate challenge, which is like 8 steps that are totally free, or 8 secrets as he called them, which will really teach you the basics and what you need to do absolutely for free, no strings attached. This course has recently been upgraded like 2 days ago. You can have the first course, you can find it on YouTube under Brian Brewer channel, which is also free. Of course, he has like Affiliate Escape Plan 2.0, which I really recommend buying. The links to all 3 courses will be in the description below, so go check them out. Like I said, Legendary and Freedom are $7, and 90-minute affiliate challenge is totally free. And I think you can spare those $7 and learn the proper skills. Of course, you can go through my YouTube channel. There are other videos. I will link one of them above, which will help you as a beginner affiliate marketer. The second step is actually like leaning on the first step, and that is follow a proven plan. So whichever you choose, Legendary, Freedom Breakthrough, or 90-minute affiliate challenge, or whatever mentor you choose to use, stick to it. Don't change the program every 2 weeks. Most beginner affiliate marketers have this problem because they start something, then there are no quick results. In affiliate marketing, you will not get results very quickly. You have to put some effort for results to come. You have to plant some seeds and have results in the future. So plenty of beginners are trying to like something for 2 weeks, then he said it doesn't work, let's try something else, and then go to the other program and everything else. So if you choose to, for example, follow both or any of these free courses, stick to their program, stick to their philosophy, stick to their mentorships. I strongly suggest, if you buy one of the high-end stuff from any of those 3, to have like to attend master classes and Zoom calls because they are invaluable resources for you to actually make your first commissions. Results are different. I had my first commission in 2 weeks, but some people had it in like 2 days and someone in 2 months. So usually it's proportional to your effort. So if you spend an hour to 3 hours a day beside your 9-to-5 job and work and really follow those courses and start choosing the proper things, the results will come. Don't worry, it works. Affiliate marketing is not saturated. It's a growing business. It's a $12 billion business. So don't worry, results will come. Keep it simple and stupid, or KISS. So the third and most important thing is, like also leaning on the first two, is do not follow the shiny object. So don't think this program that you are on is less worthy than some other new one. Stick to one program. Learn everything, learn 110% skills, try everything that they teach you so that you will be able to see results. And then in the future, if you want to build multiple income streams, try to have multiple niches or multiple offers you promote. Of course, I encourage you as a beginner to promote maybe those 3 courses. I will explain later what is the best approach for you to promote things and to sell things in offers in make money online niche, but it can be in any other niche. When you will want to spread your business or scale your business and have multiple income streams, I suggest you go to multiple niches like make money online, fitness and health, relationship and similar, and try to build pillars of those income streams in different niches with different offers. I use 2 niches, make money online, which is this channel, and my other social network, which is my main income stream, and the other one is like a health and relationship and fitness, like positive attitude niche with motivational videos and values. One of the greatest challenges when you are beginner affiliate marketing, especially in make money online niche, is that you don't have like a proof of income because you didn't start to earn yet. So the best approach there is to document your journey. So whatever you do, you are building a blog, you're building a funnel, you're building, I don't know, a Facebook group or a Facebook profile. You are funnelizing people and trying to close some sales through the messenger or whatever, DMs on Instagram. Document everything. And that is something that you will share with people. So you will say, you will have to be honest. You will say, in 2 weeks' time, I didn't make any commissions, but I did this and this and this, and this is my progress. And I'm very proud. I built my first website, but because I'm not tech savvy, and if I can do this, you can do it too. And that's what I wanted to tell you. And as we are nearing the end of this video, as I finished my 4 things that I wish I knew when I was starting, and I'm trying to help you by telling them to you. So the most important thing in the end of this video is traffic. So most beginners have problems with traffic, and they don't go the paid way because it's very hard and you will probably spend a lot of money with no particular results at the beginning. So if you want to go the free organic way, the best approach that I see and I saw the best result is not trying to sell them anything. You just give a lot of free value. Give everything for free. Look at this. Brian Brewer is giving you 8 secrets. His 8 secrets that allowed him to make $400,000 last year, and it's absolutely free. And through this course, he will probably get people to know who Brian Brewer is, that he gave him the value. They will probably have, if they follow this free course, they will have some minor affiliate commissions or a higher one if they are lucky and if they work hard. And then they will probably go and buy the whole course. That's the same thing with Jonathan Montoya's and the legendary marketing one. So whichever course you take, just give value to your audience. Build community by building a value. Set yourself as so-called expert. I know you are a beginner, but you probably know more than before you took Brian Brewer's course or any other. So give a lot of free value. All of those courses are available below. I am affiliate marketer like you too, so those are affiliate links, and it would help grow this channel and help me personally to give more value to you in the future. If you like this video, press the like button and don't forget to subscribe and see the video that is on the screen right now.